Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of the United States of America. The capital of USA is Washington DC. This is named after the first president of USA. He is George Washington, and DC is the District of Columbia. European settlers came to the USA in the century of 17th AD, and USA finally got independence on July 4th, 1776. The form of government in the USA is Federal Republic, and this federation consists of four things. They are District of Columbia and 48 conterminous states. So these are contiguous or conterminous or continuous states which have a common border, common boundary, and they are continuously present. Apart from these 48 continuous states, there is a state that is present separately from these states, that is state of Alaska. So this is present bordering the Canada. So we'll see that. And Hawaii Islands are also far, and this is also a state. This is called the state of Hawaii Islands. This is in the Pacific Ocean. So all of these four things constitute the Federal Republic of the USA. Apart from these, USA also owns 16 territories away from the mainland of the USA. So 5 of them are permanent settlements. They are Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Guam, Northern Mariana, American Samoa. So we shall locate all of them. Basically, USA is in North America, we know. It has borders with Canada on the north, Atlantic Ocean on the east, Gulf of Mexico and Mexico, both of them on the south, and Pacific Ocean on the west. The two very important mountains in the USA are Rocky Mountains and the Appalachians. There are so many landmarks in the USA, but the main things are Grand Canyon, Yosemite Valley, and major rivers like Mississippi, Colorado, and Missouri. So Grand Canyon is a very important thing, as this is one of the 7 wonders of the world, natural wonders of the world. And there are Great Lakes in the USA. They are a chain of lakes that are present in a continuous chain way in the eastern central part of USA. We shall locate them. So this chain consists of Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. To discuss about USA, we need to speak about 6 regions. So USA should be divided into 6 major regions. They are New England, Mid-Atlantic region, South and Southwest, West and Midwest. So this is how when we are asked about USA to speak about it, we need to divide the regions and speak about them, and prominence of each of these 6 regions is needed. And USA is the 3rd largest country in the whole world after Russia and Canada. And USA has got the highest coal reserves in the world. It ranks first in this, and it has got the biggest economy in the whole world. So it ranks first in terms of economy in the whole world, and this is very much known. And all of these are main important things of USA. Now we shall go into mapping of USA. So the outline of USA somewhat looks like this. So we can give the outline in this way. So this is in North America. So this is basically United States of America, and this has got Canada to its north. So here is Canada. So this is Canada, and after Canada there is still more of USA. So after Canada there is this part of USA again. So this is USA and this is USA. In between there is a different country called Canada. And later we have Mexico and Gulf of Mexico to its south. So here is Mexico. So this is Mexico. Gulf of Mexico is the inlet of Atlantic Ocean. So this is Gulf of Mexico. We have Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean on either side of the USA. So here is Atlantic Ocean and here is Pacific Ocean. So this is the basic outline and mapping of USA. Now we shall see the 6 regions, as I have told, in order to discuss USA. They are New England. So this tip part here over this part, this is called New England. This is region 1. And after that we have Mid-Atlantic part. So all of this is Mid-Atlantic part. Mid-Atlantic part is very famous for industries. So major industries of USA are all present in Mid-Atlantic part only. And later we have South and Southwest. So the whole of South is all here and Southwest is over here. And after that we have West and Midwest. So this is the western part and this is all the Midwestern part. And Midwestern part is very famous for agriculture. So we need to remember that Mid-Atlantic part is famous for industries and Midwestern part is famous for agriculture. This is also called as the breadbasket of USA. And later we have western part. This western part has got so much of barren lands, but the famous places like Hollywood and Yellowstone National Park are all present in this western coast of the USA. And this is how it is all present, and this is how we can divide the USA. And we shall see the two important mountain ranges in the USA. So as I've told, the Rockies. So here are present the Rockies. These are Rocky Mountains. We can remember them like they are present on the western side, and Appalachians. So here are the Appalachians. So these we can remember that they are on the eastern side. So we are done with the two mountains where they are present. Now we shall see the three rivers. So one is River Mississippi. So this is present over here. This comes in this way, and just below that there is River Missouri. And here comes River Colorado. So we are done with three rivers and two mountains. Now we shall see the 5 territories that are outside this mainland USA. So Puerto Rico. Here is present Puerto Rico. So this is on the Atlantic Ocean side. This is to be remembered. After that, Virgin Islands. Even Virgin Islands are also present on the Atlantic Ocean side. So Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands also belong to USA. They are on the Atlantic Ocean side. And again on the Pacific Ocean side, the territories that are present are Guam. So here is Guam. So you can relate them to these things. So these are the things I am discussing right now. So Guam is present on the Pacific Ocean side. Northern Mariana is also present on the Pacific Ocean side. And American Samoa is also present on the Pacific Ocean side. Guam, Northern Mariana, and American Samoa. So these three are present on the Pacific Ocean side, and Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands are present on the Atlantic Ocean side. Later I have told about Hawaii Island. So the state of Hawaii Island is also on the Pacific Ocean side. So Hawaii Islands are a group of islands. So these group of islands are also on the Pacific Ocean side. They also belong to USA. So these are all the territories of the USA that are outside or that are in the form of islands outside North America. So this is about what USA holds. Now we shall see the Great Lakes. Here these are in the form of a chain. I shall be discussing them now. So Lake Superior, it is present over here, Lake Superior, and Lake Michigan is present over here. So this is Lake Michigan, and here is Lake Huron. So here is Lake Erie, and here is Lake Ontario. So these five lakes make up a chain of lakes called Great Lakes in the USA on the eastern central part of the North America. So you can relate this listing to here. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. So they are just beside each other. Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario. So these are all the 5 lakes. 2 great mountains, 3 major rivers and 5 important lakes. So these make up the main bulk issues or the main bulk landmarks of the USA. So this is about a brief mapping of USA, and there is so much to be known about it. So this is for today, and thank you.